Cats are often more sensitive to their surrounding than we realize, and loneliness can affect their well-being in various ways. By understanding these signs, you can ensure your cat feels loved, comfortable, even when you are not around. Lonely cats may pull out their fur or groom themselves too much. Cats usually groom themselves carefully, but if they do it excessively, it could mean they are feeling lonely. However, overgrooming can also be a sign of a health problem, so it is important to look at other behaviors to understand if loneliness is the cause. Some cats are naturally talkative, but if your normally quiet cat starts meowing a lot, it might be asking for more attention. Loud meowing can also mean the cat is feeling lonely. However, it could also be a sign of pain or thyroid problems. If you are concerned, it is best way to take your cat to the vet to check for any health problem. Lonely cats often get bored and find creative ways to pass the time. They might move or break things while you are away. Whether it is ruining your sofa, climbing curtains, or shredding toilet paper, this behavior usually means they are feeling lonely. A change in sleeping habits could be a sign of loneliness. If your cat sleeps more than usual and does not interact with you, it might mean she is feeling so lonely that she is becoming depressed. Giving her more attention and playtime could help improve her mood. Cats can become tired and low energy when they are lonely or bored. If you notice your cat seems inactive, it could be a sign that something is wrong, and you may need to address his emotional needs. Another way your cat might show they feel lonely is by ignoring their food or water bowl. This behavior could indicate that they are stressed or not feeling well, so it is important to monitor it and seek veterinary advice if it persists. Due to feeling lonely, your cat may stop using her litter box. If you come home from work and see a mess, it could indicate emotional distress, and it is important to find ways to comfort your cat and spend time with her. Cat calming diffuser help to ease stress and reduce uncool behavior like furniture scratching and overgrooming and urine marking. The Comfort Zone Multicat Calming Diffuser releases pheromones to create a soothing environment for cats. It helps reduce stress and unwanted behaviors like excessive meowing and overgrooming. It is a drug-free solution, making it safe and natural. This product promotes relaxation in cats without chemicals or medications. By paying attention to your cat behavior and meeting her emotional needs, you can help prevent loneliness and keep her happy and healthy.